Can I interest you in an alpine lake wonderland? I'm here at Simax North Beach here in Deschutes National Forest, Central Oregon. And look at the incredible beauty of this vast beach shoreline. Come over here, get a full sense of the splendor of this wonderland zone. I will say the water is very low levels. There's signage that says warning low water levels. A good chunk of this, you can see the discoloration. See, this should be the beach. Really, the water I think should be about right here. So today's November 6, 2024. Got very low water levels, lowest I've actually ever seen. The section I'm walking right now should be underwater. So a little bit of a shame. A lot of different reasons for that. I think this overall beach is a bit more impressive when you have the full water level. Crashing waves kind of always reminds me of Oregon Beach, Oregon Coast. I've actually often said, why drive all the way to the Oregon Coast if you can just come to Simax and get the same feeling of being on a vast beach with crashing waves on the shore, but not really getting that vibe today. Definitely the lowest I've ever seen it, but nevertheless still quite beautiful. Glad I'm here. Appreciate being able to come to Crescent Lake. Gorgeous area. Most certainly the lowest I've ever seen